Hello all, Tony here from Carton Cloud with a product update we've had in release 90. Some of you may have seen that earlier on in the year I'd done a Tony's tip in regards to custom fields on consignments, and we did things like putting in time slots or SHEP pallet types or transactions or bits and pieces. So what that actually did is then we had the request for to be able to put these on a run sheet. So what I'm actually talking about is if I go up into the search for anything and I type in custom and I get the custom fields, and I come in here into the consignment data custom fields, and what I've got is I've put in a pallet type here, which I did as a drop down. I also did a pallet transaction to say whether it's an exchange or a transfer, and I've also put in a time slot date and also the time slot. So what we can now do is we can actually go into transport run sheets, and if I pull up one of these run sheets, the one I had was 153, so Tony's PM run. And if I actually export that run sheet and I have a look at this, what I can actually see is over here on the right hand side, I've placed on the run sheet template, I've placed booking if required, and on the first two you can see I've got an 8:30 time slot for the 6 and 11:30 time slot for the 6. And they're custom fields, this date and time. Also the SHEP over here under the pallet details, and also the exchange is also a custom field. And I'll sort of go in and show you where they are found on the consignment note. So if I come into 379, and if I actually went to edit, you can sort of see it a little bit easier. So from here you can see that I've got pallet type in here, which is a drop-down custom field, and also a transaction as a drop-down custom field, and also my 2 time slots. So now what we've actually been able to do is we've gone in and I've added these columns here into the template, and this is actually the run sheet template. So the placeholders we've added here are con underscore and whatever the custom field is actually called. And so if I go back to those custom fields again, I probably should have pointed that out. So if I come back to these custom fields, and we're all about the mapped name, right? Or this mapped field. So I've got one which I've put through as a slot over here. So con underscore slot, con underscore date, con underscore type, and underscore trans, and that is the type, trans, date, and slot there. So it's a really simple thing where once you actually go into the templates and we just search for template, we come into these templates and it will actually take you through, there's a link here for our knowledge base, which will take you through how to actually go through and for the placeholders and how to update it and anything. But if you need any help with any of it, please get on to customer support and we'll get back to you. Thank you.